front of me this is my AC.
It's dusty. Look at the dust. It's like a couple of millimeter thick dust.
So guys, today I'm going to clean this AC without opening it.
This front cover
And remove these two filters,
dusty filter, and rub it using hand, and it will remove all of the dust from the air filter. And if you guys have this kind of jetters, you just spray it. There is dust all over these fins, lot of dust. And now we're going to clean it using this brush. Yeah, this is the dust. As you see guys, I am spraying little water over the fan. So guys, cleaning the outdoor unit using this jet wash is pretty simple and easy. Definitely spray it like this way and it will
guys, this is Roy and welcome to another brand new video. And in front of me this is my AC, LG 4-star 1.5 ton inverter AC. And this AC is running right now, but it's dusty because I don't clean it for a long time. It doesn't serve it for an year. So guys, look at the dust. It's like a couple of millimeter thick dust over this air filter. And if I remove this air filter, the airflow increase by 3-4 times. There is a lot of dust on the blower. On the top, you guys can see how many dust are accumulated over a period of 1 year, I think. So guys, today in this video I'm going to service my AC by myself. Basically I'm going to clean the AC and show you guys how you can do that at your home. I recommend all of you guys hire a AC service professional to service your AC. I don't recommend you try this thing at your home, but if you want to try, you can do that.
So guys, before cleaning the AC, I'm going to turn off the AC first, then remove the plug, then open the front cover of the indoor unit, this front cover, and remove these two filters, dusty filter. Look at this dust all over the filters. One filter, two filter. This is the bacteria filter. So many people say you don't need to wash this filter, but I do it. There is no problem, I think, washing this bacteria filter. And now let's check the dust all over the fins. So guys, today I'm going to clean this AC without opening it. I'm not going to open the AC to clean it, just clean it little bit. So many people don't have the tools to open the AC. So if you guys want to try to service your AC and there is not much cooling you are getting from the AC, you can just wash your filters. That will increase the airflow and cooling. So guys, now I'm going to take this filter to outside and clean it because there is a lot of dust on this filter. You guys can clean this AC filter using just water, or you can use this kind of hand spray if you have one, or you can use this kind of spray jet. Okay. So for using water, you can just throw water and rub it using hand, and it will remove all of the dust from the air filter. And if you guys have this kind of jetters, you just spray it, and it's so simple. Within a minute, you can clean. So within 10 seconds, it's near about cleaned. And even just cleaning this AC filter will increase the AC cooling performance by 70%. And look at this dirt just coming out of this AC. It's horrible. Now we're going to leave these filters for dry. So keep it here till it dry. Now as you see guys, there is dust all over these fins, lot of dust. And now we're going to clean it using this brush. We'll just, you guys see, yeah, this is the dust and the fin is cleaned. So guys, today's challenge is cleaning the AC without opening it. I can open this AC and it makes a lot easier to clean this fin, but I'm not going to open it. But next video I'm going to show you guys how to open it and clean this fin. cleaning this fin will be a lot easier if I open it. Now guys, as you see, the fin is way cleaner than before. Next guys, I will take a cloth and little water. Here I am taking some water. Using this cloth, I am going to clean the AC like this way guys. I made a video near about 3-4 years back about cleaning the AC. And this video get how many? 2 million views I think on YouTube. And at the time I don't know how to clean the AC because basically what I did, I just clean those AC filters. Then I clean the AC using a air blower.
The blower head doesn't touch the AC fin. Now as you see guys, the cooling fin looks neat and clean. It will definitely improve the cooling performance.
AC was brand new, near about a month old, and there is no dust deposit like this. So that's the reason I am able to clean that AC using a blower. But if your AC is dirty like this kind of, if you have this much dirt over the AC, you need a jet wash. You need a jet wash to clean that or service your AC. Next I'm going to use a water spray to clean the fin. If you use water, that is the best thing you can use to clean your fin. I'm going to use little bit water spray to clean these fins. And here is this side we have the PCB, so be careful and make sure you don't spray any kind of water on that side, because if you spray water it can damage the electronics. And some AC have a display over here, so if you guys have a display on your AC, make sure you do not spray any kind of water there. Be careful guys. I'm not recommending guys use this kind of tricks to clean your AC. Contact any kind of professional AC cleaner. That will be better, because if you do any mistake, it can ruin your AC PCB, and that can destroy your AC and probably cost you around another 10,000 rupees to fix it. I'm sweating. It's too hard to record, clean so many things doing at a time guys. Next guys, I'm going to use this water spray to clean that fin. I can use this motor jet wash, but then I need another AC cover. Now little by little spray the water. As you see guys, I am spraying little water over the fin, and the mud that deposited over those fin will dissolve in water and drain through the drain pipe of the AC. So as I said before guys, this side is the PCB, so be careful when you are cleaning your AC using water. If your water get in this side, there will be a problem. So guys, the cleaning will take a little bit long time, so I'll pause the video here.
Few moments later.
Guys, I sprayed near about 5 liters of water in the AC, and the fin is get clean, pretty good clean. Now look at this guys, fin, it's cleaned. And some of you guys might have a question like, you sprayed 5 liters of water on the AC and what happened with the water? So you need to spray little by little. You don't need to spray a lot of water, because if you spray a lot of water, the drain pipe will not able to drain all of this water, and it will the water will overflow from this area of this AC. And if you guys want to jet wash the AC, you can get this kind of, there is a huge cover you can buy that will cover the AC. Drain water will come from here. And if you guys want to clean your AC without opening the cover, there is a problem is it's not going to clean everything. There is some dust, but other thing is the blower. You see, let me turn on the light. Okay, so you see guys, the blower is dirty. There is a lot of dust on the blower. You need to open the AC to clean it. And if you guys want to clean it, what you can do, turn on the AC. So I just turned one. So now turn on the AC and set it to fan mode. I already set it to fan mode, and the blower will start spinning. Okay, as you see, the blower is spinning. Now what you guys can do, you can guys take a brush like this and put it here, you see. And before doing this, make sure you wear a mask, because dust, I am allergic to dust. So guys, I cleaned the blower. Now guys, I'm giving it a final touch. cleaning it as you see. Pump it to increase the pressure. Now I think it's pretty much done. And if you guys want to see where the drain pipe is, and this is the drain pipe. And this is the outdoor unit over there. So whatever water I am spraying there is draining from here. It's not drain on my room because I'm spraying little bit water. But if I use lot of water, then the AC drain will overflow and it will drop inside the room. As you see guys, the indoor unit is clean, 100% clean. Now we're going to use this Blue Axi makes life easier, air conditioner, cleaner and purifier. So I'm going to use it. It's optional, you can use it, you cannot use it, that depends on you, but it makes AC smell better. Means if there is any kind of bad smell is coming from your AC, you can use it. So now I'm going to spray it. So I'm going to spray this side. I'm going to do a little bit more spray from the top side. The indoor unit cleaning is done. And now I'm going to leave this AC for 5-10 minutes. Now guys, we're going to put this in air filter. So first we'll place the bacteria filter. Okay, next we put the air filter. Now this is the next one. Okay, done. Now guys, I'm going to clean the outdoor unit. It's simple. I've already set it up everything. So this is a bucket, or this is for my JTOS. This is the outdoor unit. So guys, cleaning the outdoor unit using this JTOS is pretty simple and easy. As you see, this is the outdoor unit. And I need to go there. So look at the outdoor unit condition. Okay, so as you see guys, it's dusty. It needs clean. It definitely needs some amount of cleaning. Look at the dust all over the AC. Before using a JTOS to clean your outdoor unit, make sure your outdoor unit support JTOS. Some older AC do not support this kind of JTOS, and the water get inside the motor, and then your AC probably died. So make sure your AC support JTOS. If you support it, you can definitely spray it like this way, and it will clean it within few minutes. Look at this guys, how easy it is to clean. Mosquitoes are in India, Kolkata, we have a lot of mosquitoes. It's a huge problem here. Look at this muddy water that's coming out of the AC. So guys, the JTOS clean is near about completed. I used near about 20 liters of water to clean the AC. Now I'm going to leave the outdoor unit for some time to dry. Then we're going to turn on the AC and test it guys. So guys, I successfully cleaned my AC. And there's the AC. It's neat and clean. And one more time I'm going to show you guys. So now if I open here, you can see how clean it is. It's neat and clean. It looks like a brand new AC guys. Now guys, let's turn on it. Guys, the airflow is increased a lot. I think the airflow increased by 5 to 6 times. It's a lot of air is coming from the AC. And previously when there is a lot of dust, there's little bit air that's coming from the AC. So if you guys clean your AC, it just not only increase the efficiency of your AC, but also decrease your electricity bill. So guys, thanks for watching the AC cleaning video. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys think I did any mistakes, also let me know in the comment section below. That being said, my name is Abhijit. I'm signing out, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.